Welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. My name is Sean White, and today I will be discussing flow control devices. In a previous podcast, it was discussed that all fan coil units need to have a balancing valve or a flow control device. This device acts as a restriction or even a governor to only allow a certain amount of GPMs through the fan coil unit. This prevents an excessive number of GPMs from flowing through a particular fan coil unit where others in the building may become starved. There are two primary types of balancing valves that Titus uses: autoflow valves and manual balancing valves. Autos are also called automatic. Manuals are also called adjustable. You can see in this first image that we have both flow control devices shown in our valve package layout, the auto flow and the manual balancing flow. So which is better? Well, the answer is that one type of balancing valve isn't necessarily better than the other. They just both have different capabilities and are useful in different situations. You can see in this image here that the auto flow valve uses a cartridge. This cartridge is installed at the factory and cannot be adjusted in the field. It will be set to a GPM and normally comes in increments of either a half of a GPM or a full GPM. So generally 5 GPM and less will be in increments of a half, and above 5 GPM will be in increments of 1 GPM. So 1.5, 2, 2.5, and then at 5 it'll go up to 6, 7, 8, and 9. You can see there's no dials, screws, or any way to change the GPM. It is fixed. This is nice because the fan coil unit does not need to be balanced in the field. In this image, you can see the adjustable flow circuit setter. It does have a dial and can be adjusted in the field. The advantage of the auto flow control valve is that it does not have to be balanced in the field. A balancing technician is not needed. All that needs to be done to the fan coil unit is to be plumbed to the building's water supply, and it is good to go. The manual balancing valve, on the other hand, does have to be balanced, and it requires a trained technician to do this balancing in the field. So which is better? For very large projects, we recommend the auto flow device. The reason is that if you have a project with, say, 1,000 fan coil units, that's 1,000 units that have to be balanced. That is a tremendous amount of work and time and money. For smaller projects, we recommend the manual balancing valve. While the unit does need to be balanced by a trained technician, because it is adjustable in the field, if an incorrect GPM is selected, it can simply be adjusted in the field to improve performance. Unlike the autoflow valve, that if its GPM is incorrect, the only way to change it is to purchase a new cartridge for the valve. And in some cases, the entire valve body itself would have to be cut out of the valve package and a new one installed. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.